Hey guys, it's Froggy Plays. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to use AFK farms on an iPhone. So if you want to do this, you're going to need a computer and a phone, but I'm figuring out a way how to do it if you only have your phone. So basically this is for anyone. I'm just going to describe myself right here, but if you have like a Mac and an iPhone, and so you don't have Bedrock, and you want to play on a realm or something, and everybody else is playing on their own, and they have all their AFK farms, and you're on your stupid iPhone without an AFK farm. So I have this solution that I really just came up with the morning because I was on a realm, and I'm like, I need an AFK farm because I got accepted to the realm. For people who know mcpe on my channel, it's his realm, and I got accepted, and I was really far behind, so I'm like, I need a whole bunch of farms. So I had to come up with this because I don't have Bedrock on anything else that I can play on the realms. So I'm going to show you what you're going to need first, but if you do want to see without a computer, make sure you subscribe, and I'll make sure to get that out. But for this method, what you're going to need is, in the App Store, get keypad, keyboard, and mouse, and an auto clicker by Murga. I don't know what that is, but you'll need it. And basically why they're important is because for what keypad does is it turns your computer into a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard. So after this loads, I can press Control and Option, and then I'll get a mouse on my phone that I can move anywhere. So if I put it on like the zombie, let's just hold on. It's laggy while I'm recording. It's not laggy when you're actually using it, so I still recommend using it. See if I click. Click, there we go. Every time I click, it will do a tap as if it was a finger. Not if it was like a computer mouse, as if it's a finger. So this will only work for the kind of farms where you're just doing a tap on your phone or something, like an attack, a build, or a placing, whatever it is. It will only work for that. So right now I have this mob farm. So say if you're in a cave, and then you found like a zombie spawner or something, whatever you need, or any kind of spawner that you have, like those big ugly ones. This will work. Slime farm, whatever. I just set it up so the zombies get pushed over to me, so every time I tap here, I hit one, and then it'll drop all their items into the chest, and I'll get whatever they have. But this is for experience in iron. Like, it's really cheap. But anyway, to set this up, make sure you have your keypad program working. Control and Option, it toggles the mouse on and off. So I just pressed it again so I can show you the auto clicker. And the auto clicker, depending on what farm, you need to change the delay between clicks. So how many seconds until it does a tap on your phone, basically. So I have it set to 1 right now, and I have it set to a left click. And on an iPhone, a left click and a right click are the same thing. So it doesn't really matter what you do. So if you're having trouble with what I'm about to show you, then you might want to switch it to right click. But I have it set at 1 click, so every second it's going to do a click on my phone. And since I have it hooked up to keypad, it will do it on my phone instead. But what I have to do is, once I click start, I have to immediately go over to keypad and then wait for it to load, press Control and Option, wiggle my mouse, and then it'll start doing it. It's not that hard of a process. The only hard part is clicking start, then going to keypad without clicking anything else. So I'm going to show you it right now. So I'm going to move this over here first so you can see my screen. Ready? Start, keypad, put my mouse over here so I don't click anything I don't want to click. Control and Option, and then wiggle my mouse, put it on the zombies, and then boom. That's all I have to do. And I'll just keep tapping, tapping, tapping every second. If you get it so you can do it in a short amount of time, that might be better for some farms. So this could just run all night. But one thing that you have to do to make sure your phone doesn't turn off all night, so I'm going to press Control and Option so I can stop the program, is what you have to do, go to Settings, then from here you go to Display and Brightness, and then check on Auto Lock and set it to Never. So once you have it set to Never, it's just going to not turn off. And so you want to put it on a charger and probably nearby like a fan or something, a cool area, to make sure your phone doesn't overheat. And another way you can stop it from overheating is just by turning down the brightness and shutting down any other applications you have on your phone running. So I just turned down the brightness on my phone. It doesn't show it on the computers, but it turns down the brightness and it'll prevent it from heating up, because you don't want that. Even if you just like, I don't know, any cool spot. So I have a fan right next to me. I can just point it towards my phone and leave it running all night. I've left my phone running all night before and it was fine, but it's probably not the best thing. It can run down your battery. So there's a slight risk, but you can just prevent that with a cool area. So I just set that to Never, and then go to Minecraft. Just have it sit here and make sure my computer stays on or just open, and it will basically run as any other AFK farm. So I just really thought of this because I needed it, and I didn't find any other good tutorials on how to do something like this. So if you want to see what kind of farms work with this, I mean, it's really just any farm that you just have to do a single tap with your phone. But I can also, if you subscribe and leave a like, I'll do a video of how to do it with just an iPhone, and but at some point I'll get it out. So like, subscribe, see you later.